Good day, ma'am. So we are here to present our official website, the website of Sentimental Pursuit. So let me begin with our homepage. So as you can see, the design is very elegant with soft pastel colors that reflect sophistication. Our tagline, where every drop tells your story, shows our brand's core idea that the perfume is not just a scent, kundi kwento ng personality at memories ng customers. From the homepage, visitors are guided to explore our fragrance collection, making it clear that our brand focuses on emotional storytelling and accessibility. We can also see the reviews from other customers here para makita at malaman ng mga future buyers ang actual experiences and feedback. This adds credibility and helps build trust in our brand. So next, we're going to show you our shop section.
Next, punta po tayo sa shop section. Dito po makakapili ang customer ng aming signature scents na nakaayos ayon sa scent family tulad ng fresh and aquatic, floral and powdery, woody and musky, fruity and sweet, amber and spicy, at citrus and green. Example, ang waves within po ay fresco at aquatic, ang Crown Legacy ay may fruity at woody notes, ang Villiers Street ay floral at powdery, at ang Velvet Bloom naman po ay fruity at sensual. Available po ang bawat pabango sa mga size na 10 ml, 30 ml, at 50 ml na may presyong nagsisimula sa 99 pesos. Mayroon din po kaming gift set, perfect bilang regalo o para makasubok ng iba't ibang scent. These sections emphasize our goal of making luxury perfumes more accessible para po sa lahat. For example, ako si customer, I want something floral and fruity scent. Ayan, napagdesisyonan ko si Velvet Bloom. Ako, ayoko muna mag-commit into a bigger bottle but ayoko ring mabitin. Therefore, pipiliin ko si 30 ml that costs to 259 pesos. Ayan, mag-show up naman dyan yung subtotal and cost of the shipping. After that, you are good to go. Next is customization section.
Now let's go to the customization section. This is the most unique features of our website and it's very important ano. Customers can create their own signature scent through a four-step process. Ayan, upon scrolling, makikita natin ang different event and customization services. Nandyan na rin yung prices for basic personalization wherein you can customize your labels with your names, with your loved one names, and even the date of your anniversary. We also offer perfume booth that starts with an affordable price of 599 pesos. You can also rent our booths for half day or full day. Here naman sa next part, makikita natin yung steps for the whole customization process. First, you're going to share your story. At dahil nga we're still exploring locally, we highlighted the Filipino story. You can choose your primary emotion for the event. For example, pagmamahal for your big wedding day. Next, here comes the unique part. Ikaw, as a customer, ang magde-decide which top notes, heart notes, at base notes ang iyong gagamitin sa perfume mo. Meaning to say, ikaw talaga ang mag-customize for the scent. After mo makapili, you can input your personalization options to complete the item. After that, the total will come out and take note, please expect around 3 to 4 weeks to create your order as we value its quality. After checking and reviewing all the details, finally, you can check it out. Next, the journal and about us section.
Now let's move on to the next section, which is the journal section. This part of the website serves as both an educational and inspirational space. It features articles that connect fragrance with psychology and lifestyle. For example, The Psychology of Scent. It explains how perfumes influence memory and emotions, while Creating Memory Lane shares the story behind one of our bestsellers, inspired by childhood summers in the garden. Another article is How to Layer Scents. It provides practical guidance for customers who want to experiment with combining fragrance. Through these articles, the journal shows that Sentimental is not only a bra- it's not only a perfume brand but also a source of knowledge and inspiration. Hindi lang kami nagbebenta ng product, but we also educate and engage with our customers. Next section is About Us section. In this page, it tells the founding story of Sentimental Perfume. The brand was established in 2025 by 5 college students who shared a passion for perfumery and storytelling. The name itself is a combination of scent and sentimental, symbolizing our mission to create fragrances that preserve emotion and memories. This section also introduces our founding team. First is Eliza Bautista as Creative Director and CEO, Hannah De La Cruz as Master Perfumer, Eliza Jessim as Brand Strategist, Kimberly Sayat as Operations Director, and Tiffany Segura as Customer Experience Leads. Each founder plays a vital role in shaping our brand, ensuring that Sentimental is built on creativity, emotional connection, and professionalism. Sa madaling salita, this page highlights the people and the passion behind the brand. At the end of the About Us page, we also highlight our signature collection perfumes. These scents are the core fragrances that represent the identity of Sentimental Perfume. For example, Waves with Tame captures freshness and freedom. Crown Legacy reflects elegance and strength. Velour Streets embodies urban sophistication, and Velvet Bloom expresses sensuality and joy. By presenting our signature scents here, the About Us page connects the story of the brand with the actual product, showing that perfumes are not only crafted with quality, but also with meaning and emotions. Next page is a contact and help center.
Finally, let's discuss the Contact and Help Center sections of the website, which are designed to make customer interaction simple, clear, and efficient. Starting with the contact page. Here, customers can reach us through several channels depending on their needs. Email. We have dedicated emails for general inquiries, customization requests, press, and wholesale concerns. This ensures that every message goes to the right team for faster responses. Phone. May phone numbers din kami for direct and intermediate assistance, especially for urgent inquiries. Studio visit. For those who prefer in-person consultation, our studio address in Makati City is listed. We have also contact form para naman sa convenience ng lahat. May form din na pwedeng punan para makapag-send ng direct message. This is ideal for detailed questions, special requests, or feedback. This page is more than just information. It reflects Sentimental's commitment to professional communication, ensuring that anyone reaching out feels attended to. Moving on to the Help Center. Next section, please. This section is organized into 6 main categories to guide users easily. First, orders and payments. Covers all questions about placing orders, accepted payment methods, and transaction security. Second is shipping and delivery. Here, it explains shipping rates, estimated delivery times, and tracking processes. Next is returns and refunds. Clearly states the 30-day policy for unopened items, ensuring transparency and fairness. The next one is products and scents. It provides guidance on product details, scent profiles, and proper usage. Next, account and security. Here, it includes tips on managing user accounts, maintaining secure login, and protecting personal information. Lastly, we have frequently asked questions. Here, quick answers to the most common concerns. All these policies are carefully explained to show that Sentimental values customer satisfaction and trust. By step instructions din for returns, shipping concerns, and refunds, making sure customers know exactly what to do if any issue arises. In summary, the contact and help center sections are not only practical but also customer centric. They demonstrate that Sentimental is creative, professional, and fully compliant with customer protection standards, making every customer interaction smooth, safe, and enjoyable.
In conclusion, the Sentimental Perfume website is more than just an online store. It is a branding tool, a customization platform, and an educational resource that reflects creativity, accessibility, and professionalism. Again, we are the Sentimental Perfume. Maraming salamat po.